Hello, my name is Paul Bellefeuille. I'm here today in August. Nice day, beautiful day here in Derby, Vermont, at a snowmobile show. And I'd like to talk to you about my 1978 Yamaha SSR 440. It's built for the 78 Snow Pro racing season, and it's a factory-built snowmobile for Snow Pro racing, which was the high-end class for pro racers. They built 150 of these, and 50 are known to exist. This sled right here is all original. It was stored in the spring of 1978, and it has not been used since, and it was never raced. It was bought as a backup sled out in Washington, state of Washington, and it was never used. So let's talk about some of the features of this sled. First of all, we have a very low sitting chassis, because it has to turn left and go fast. So we obviously need lightweight. So we have an aluminum tunnel, we have aluminum skis, aluminum chain case, 2-gallon gas tank. Now to make it go left, we have this handlebar set up that's offset and with a loop handlebar design. Also very small brake lever. Everything was designed to save weight. We have aluminum skis, and for the first time, Yamaha went from a leaf spring suspension system to a trailing arm. Polaris was using the Polaris trailing arm on their RXLs and was having fantastic wins with it, so Yamaha tried it. At the end of the season, though, Yamaha didn't fare too well in the winning circle. They had a lot of gremlins to fix. The chassis was too long, so the racing legacy isn't really there, but some say this is probably the most beautiful racing snowmobile